Brian DiMambro. This interesting early 20th century large folio folding map is an example of a transportation map from, this one is 1905, published in Worcester, Mass. By Blanchard and Company. It shows electric railways following good roads as well as post offices with population tables. It's lithographed and folds into two cloth hardcovers. It's well preserved. There are some small scattered age stains which you can see on the map, but they're of course not distracting or offensive in any way. This type of map is inherently fragile and almost certainly had a relatively small distribution, meaning today something like this is far less common than you might suspect. It folds up nicely as issued. We'll see here now there are several little splits along the fold line intersections which are typical for large maps of this vintage and era. And here are the cloth folders for it. It's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.